In this video, I will show you how you can use ListenMonster to transcribe your content or to get subtitle files from your media content. So here I am on listenmonster.com. We have created a unique page for each language. You can visit all pages here. So here we have created a unique page for each language. The only difference is the default language, otherwise you will get the same thing. So here on I am listenmonster.com. My content that I want to transcribe is in English, so I will not change this default language, otherwise you can also change it. So here I will click to upload my file, and this is the file that I want to transcribe for this tutorial.
Welcome to 11 Labs, where technology meets creativity. Our cutting-edge text-to-speech solutions are designed.
Alright, so I will select it and I will open it. Remember, you can only upload one file at a time. If you try to upload any other file, then it will override this file. Okay, so you can only upload one file. So after once our file is uploaded, you can also delete it from here. Then we need to click on generate button, and now it is asking what kind of format we want. So text, if you just want simple transcription, want to convert your media into blog post or something like that, then it will be useful. If you want to add a subtitle, then click on this SRT and click on generate. So it transcribed. Now I will click on download, and here we go. So here it opened that that thing. As you can see, it perfectly transcribed everything. Now if you want to run over video, you can use any video editor. Thank you very much for watching this video.